beautiful angels. Believe me, if you are finding this video on your homepage and you are here, then believe me, you guys are literally very lucky, because I'm getting like your angels and your spirit guides, like they are having a meeting. Okay, just like imagine in the other realm, okay, there are your spirit guides, your spirit teams, your angels, everyone who is protecting you on this planet earth are somewhere, in existing in the other realm. I don't know like why I'm getting this feeling, but it's the feeling of safety and protection. It's like if you guys have been recently feeling the anxiety, the stress, if you guys if you guys are becoming restless and you are having the doubt, am I protected, am I really safe, like in the environment where I am, or I guess some of you are trying to move places, like shad you, like you are maybe shifting your cities. Some of you, I don't know why I'm getting these visuals a lot lately. I'm getting the visuals of the passport office, the visa stamp. Okay, and every time I get this I feel like wow, something is finally moving. It's like the energy is moving, the person is moving, and it's like more on the physical level where the things are changing. Okay, so maybe you guys are changing your countries for various different reasons. I am saying embassy, though I have never been to an embassy till now. But this is like the vision is super clear, as if कि कोई अगर ये as if you guys are deciding that you want to shift the cities, or if you want to shift the countries, you guys are crystal clear in your mind why you are doing so. Like someone is pretty much very clear in their head what exactly they want to do with their life. It's like that. Like someone has finally decided to drop both the sides. You're like, you must be till now weighing two options. Should I do this or should I do that? But finally something happened recently. I don't know like what exactly happened, but somehow you dropped the other option that you had in your mind, and you're like, okay, let's go with this first option. Okay, wow, we have 000. Again, a new beginning. Reflect. Okay, so it's like that. That you are changing your place, even if you can be, it can also be that you are shifting your house. Maybe you were living with your parents and you are deciding, okay, that's it, that's enough, now I want to have my own house, even in the same city, but you are like changing your house completely and you are doing it alone, or you want to do it alone. You're like, I don't want anyone to come up with me on this new journey, I want to be by my own. That's the best thing. Okay, because when we are alone we actually get to know a lot about ourselves, and being living with the someone else, like our parents or somebody else, we can't discover ourselves. Someone is like deciding to shift their physical reality by changing their locations. Okay, and lately you guys might be asking, okay, am I going to be safe? Like that's the first question if you are especially a girl, right? We often ask, are we going to be safe, are we going to be protected? Let the angels answer this. I'm going to use my one of the favorite deck, angel number deck. So all I want you guys is to make sure that there is two-way energy exchange. So make sure to like this video. If you are new here, you must be subscribed to the channel. Okay, if you are getting the hype feature, do hype the video up so that it reaches more people, or if you're not getting the hype feature, make sure to share this video with your loved ones, okay, who are deciding to change their place. Okay, so let's see what is the message, and don't forget to claim it in the comments. You can let me know from which city you are watching this video, and let's see what is the message for you. Thank you, dear angel, thank you, dear spirits. What do you want to communicate with all the people who are connecting with the energy watching this video? What is the message for their relocation? Oh, we got the card. Oh my goodness, like this is so in sync with what I was talking about. We have number 22 talking about opportunities. Okay, we have expansion, possibilities, courage, exploration, growth, fearlessness, and think big and expand your horizons as far as possible. Don't set limit on yourselves or what you believe is possible. Okay, don't let fear stop you from opening your mind to opportunities you might otherwise miss. So as I was saying, this changing the place, changing the house, changing the city, changing the country, whatever you are doing right now, believe me, this is going to bring a lot of opportunities in your life. And believe me, I am seeing a version of you who is very confident. Like I'm getting the models who walk on the runway, the confidence and the aura that they hold. I am seeing you guys stepping into that energy when you move. Okay, so you are going to discover a very confident, calm, and fearless identity, a fearless version of you. So, all the doubt that you have around safety, all the doubts that you have around should I move, should I not move, this is the message for you. If you have already connected with the energy, that's a woo. Okay, because I can see a lot of opportunities, a lot of growth, a lot of possibilities coming your way. And it always happens whenever we try to move outside of our comfort zone. The opportunities are waiting for us to step out of our comfort zone. And once we do that, the flood of opportunities, the flood of expansion just, comes our way. Someone is also expanding. So, for example, like if you guys have been living in small town cities, you want to go to metro cities. Okay, you want to like relocate to a place where you can expand yourself, as if you already know that you are capable of so much more, but somehow the place that you are living in, the city that you are living in, is not allowing you to spread your wings and just fly away. Okay, so this is about this. Oh, wow, we have don't worry, number 66. Like, this is crazy. Calm, optimism, joy, trust, release, and soul's mission. I can say so many of you guys are stepping into a country or stepping into a city which is holding your key to your soul's mission, to your soul purpose. It's like that city or that country has been waiting for you to move to that place, to move to that city. If there is any city that specifically, the city or country, whatever, that calls for you whenever you hear the name of the city or the country, you get so excited. I'm like, as if you feel like you have not been there, or if you have been there, that's like the city or the country, which you feel very calm about. There are, when you think about metro cities, right, you always get that rush, speed, kind of vibe. But when you think about this metro city, you feel more calm, you feel as if you belong there. So you feel the feeling of safety, feeling of calmness. You feel that. So that is your way of knowing that that city is for you. If you are listening to a name of the city and you're like, I don't want to go there, and you get that a different feeling, which is not good. When you think about it, you're like, I don't want to go there. Like this cities, some cities, like even I have some cities in my mind which people love, but I usually hate. I don't want to I don't want to enjoy the vibe of the city. Just let me be here. But one metro city makes me feel like, I don't want to go there, and another metro city makes me feel like, wow, I want to go there. And like it feels like a belonging. It feels like familiar, even though I have not been there more than once. So this is what exactly happens, and this is your sign that you are ready to shift, that you are ready to move, you are ready to relocate. Okay, so do let me know which country or which city you want to move to, or are you thinking about it? Right? And I don't think you have any more reason to stay in your comfort zone or stay in your own city, which you know is not going to hold your potential. Okay, so step out of your city, step out of your comfort zone, let your wings spread, and let your dreams fly. Okay, you don't have anything to worry about. By the way, we have don't worry card. it is saying if you have been consumed by worry, fear, or concerns about the physical world. Are you guys like literally kidding me? See this word, we have the physical here. This is crazy. If you, and let me read it again because I got so excited. So the card says if you have been consumed by worry, fear, or concerns about the physical world, and mind you, I said the same thing in the beginning. It's time to shift. Oh my god, this is crazy. It's time to shift your focus, move from stressing over material needs to joyful pursuing your soul's mission with optimism. We again have the soul's mission as well. And did you focus on the word shift? Shift your focus. And I've been constantly saying shift. Okay. So definitely this city, this country, whatever it is, that the place that has been calling you, it's the sign for you that your soul's mission, your journey towards your soul purpose is going to start once you move to that place. Okay. So that's it for our today's message. I hope it resonated with you. If it did, please make sure to connect with the energy, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know which country or city you want to shift to. And I'm going to see you in my next video. If you want clarity in your life, if you want to know what exactly that city or that country holds for you, how it can help you grow, what is the soul's mission that the city or the country wants you to fulfill. If you want to know these deep questions answers, then I'm here for you. Okay, you can book the personal tarot clarity session with me. You can find the links in the description. And also, if you want to become a tarot reader yourself and read your own cards, take better decisions, help yourself and help more people, then I think the self-reader mastery course is going to be for you. The link of this is also going to be in the description. So do check everything out and please contact me. I'm here to help you. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Ashi. I'm a tarot coach and my mission is to bring clarity in each one of your life through tarot. So if you need my help, please do check the links out in the description. I'm more than happy to help you. I will see you in my personal tarot clarity session or I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.